Special readings, my dear students. For our semester, up to 6 chapters are coming. Okay, so almost we completed our chapter. Before going to the revision, one or two topics we can see now. Okay, now kindly see here. Uh, in sixth chapter, painting tool, brush tools. Okay, this all things we seen. Okay, and pencil. Okay, clone stamp, selection tool, three type of selection tool, laser tool, marquee tool. This all things we seen in the previous classes. Spot healing tool is used to remove some spots. It can be a pimple or it can be some mark. In previous class, I shown with help of Photoshop how we used spot healing, and clone tool also we seen. Erase tool is used to erase, and blur tool, this all things we seen. Okay, now directly we can go to the topic which is remaining. Now type tool. Actually, what is a type tool? Type tool is used to type a text in a Photoshop. Here I opened one image. Okay, I opened one image. So I am selecting type tool. I clicked on type tool. If you want to insert type tool, okay, if you want to insert type tool, you no need to worry. It is very simple. Just select the type tool, move your mouse cursor, click on the image where you want to type. Okay, here there is one small dot. Okay, there is a small dot. I think you can't able to see. I am going to increase the size. So 72. Okay, I'm just increasing as much as possible. Here is a text. Okay, here is a text. Better I will change the color also. I think white color will be better. Okay, I'm going to type welcome. Okay, welcome I typed. If you want to change the font, okay, if you want to change the font, here is a font. Which font you would like, you may select the font. Which font you like, you may select the font after alignment. Also here, as much you need, you may select. Okay, the thing which you need, you may select. If you want to increase the font size, of course we can able to. Okay, you can able to increase most. This is the thing. Okay, how to insert a font, this is a way. If you want to open other image, okay, if you want to insert font in other image, I'm going to open another image. Okay, then Photoshop is little bit hanging. Okay, Photoshop is little bit hanging, so it is not working properly. Okay, means now inserting image, you came to know, sorry, inserting text, you came to know how to insert a text. After inserting text, what the topic is, a shape tool. In Photoshop, where we can able to see the shape tool. Okay, there are few tools are there, few shape tools. Kindly see here: rectangular, okay, round, rectangular, elliptical, polygon, line, custom shape. Custom means means a different shape will be there. You can, now I'm going to insert one. I'm going to open some files. So I opened rows. So here there is a shapes. You can able to see. If I right click here, you can able to see the rectangle, round, rectangular, elliptical, polygon, line, custom shape. Okay. So if I select polygon, kindly see a polygon came. Okay. And based on the color, if you want to change the color, we can able to change. Okay. We can able to change. Means filling the color also you can able to filling the color. There are so many ways are there how to fill the color. Just select and one click. Okay, actually we have to select the layer. So in this place, okay, so this is a shape tool. If you want to use any other shape, custom shape, just see custom shape. When I click custom shape, my mouse cursor changes into plus arrow. Now just here so many options are there. My dear, actually custom shape means you can able to create a shape. The thing is what now the software is not installed properly. Due to that reason, we cannot able to use. Okay, due to that reason, we cannot able to use. So shape line tool that all okay. See custom shape. When we click custom shape, this is a box. It has to be open. But this application having problem. Okay, I'm not having proper application for temporary purpose I used. So only this type of face shapes I am getting. Okay, this is a custom shape. What shapes you are seeing here? This type of shapes you may get. Okay, navigation hand tool, zoom tool. Okay, so zoom tool means when we are clicking we can able to zoom. Okay, alt key and you can use your scroll button, mouse scroll. Okay, zoom plus is a shortcut to zoom in. Control plus is a shortcut to zoom. Control plus minus is a zoom out. Okay, only these two things. After last two topics are there. One is a image. Okay, adjusting image. So hue, saturation, only these two options they given here. Now we can able to see after that layer. Now see I am selecting the image. Okay, I am selecting the image. Photoshop. I just selected this image. Okay. Now what will happen in image? Okay. So I just clicked on this image. Now image is a adjustment. When we are going to adjustment, use saturation. There are so many several options are there. Based on your need, you can use in your book they given hue saturation dialog box. So when I selected hue and saturation, now seeing hue. When I am adjusting the color, okay, when I am adjusting the color, can you able to see the changes? Okay, and saturation, okay. So lightness. So this is a color adjustment based on your need, you may adjust, okay, lightness and all. See, totally not zero now, white totally. Means these are the things you should know, okay. Only this thing. Now almost our chapter is over. At last is a layer. Students, what is a layer? Okay. Uh, Last year you studied layer in a flash, correct? Same concept applied in Photoshop also. Okay, same concept applied in Photoshop also. In a flash we used a object for animation, but in Photoshop we are using a picture object. In flash we are using, in flash also we are using picture object, but we are making the movement animation work. But here only the picture animation. Okay, same concept here. Here also layer or the transparent sheet that can hold the object and are stacked on top of each other. Same concept. Okay, same concept. Now layer, adding a layer, steps is here, layer, new layer. Okay, only these things. Now renaming a layer, double click. Same in flash, what option, if you want to delete, right click, delete, over. And layer effect, it is your practical. Okay, no need to go more, just a simple concept are there. Okay, now just I will show this and our portion is going to be over. Okay, now new file I'm going to open. Okay, uh, now see I'm going to insert a layer. Okay, just right click, duplicate layer. Sorry. If you want duplicate, you can open else layer, new layer, layer 1. Okay, now layer 1 created. If I want to open another layer, new layer, now layer 2, layer 2 created. If I want to give this name as a car, double click, CAR, enter. Now this layer name is a car. If I want to delete this car layer, right click. Okay, I think you cannot able to see. I'm just keeping here. See, I think now we can able to see layer, layer, new layer. Now layer 3. I'm going to give the name tree, Tree. Enter. Now this is a tree is a layer. If I want to rename, double click, tree 1. Okay, if I want to delete, right click, delete. Okay, right click, just delete. Tree 1. Do you want to delete? Yes. Over. Now almost our portion totally everything is completed, and layer effect is your practical. Just you go through once, so your portion is over. And next class, before whatever all chapter question answer everything you may get in a PDF form from our school site. Okay, my dear students, take care, and please go through all the chapters, lesson back exercise, question answer and everything. Okay, don't be careless and don't be uh, still playing away. Okay, because exam is very near. Be ready for everything. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.